Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to show offline in WhatsApp when you are online. So, if you don't want anybody to know that you are online when you are online on WhatsApp, and you want it to say that you are offline, I'll show you guys exactly how to do it in this video today. So it's pretty simple. You might just want to make sure that your friends don't know that you're online because you want some privacy or something like that. But first things first, what you want to do, you want to head over to the WhatsApp app. Once you're on WhatsApp, you want to go to the settings icon in the bottom right corner of your screen. If you click on the bottom right corner of your screen where the settings icon is, it'll bring you to the settings page. So let's click on that real quick. And once you click on it, it'll bring you to this page here. So I'm actually already in the privacy settings. So once you go to the settings page, you want to find privacy. Once you find privacy, you're going to be brought to this page here. And you're going to want to click on last seen and online. Once you click on this, there are two things you need to do. You want to make sure that both the first one is set to nobody and the second one is set to same as last seen. So you want to see who can see last seen as nobody and who can see your online status as same as last seen. That will make it so nobody can see when you were last online and nobody can see what your online status is. That will completely erase your presence online when you're on WhatsApp, but there's one more thing that you can do to make sure that nobody knows at all. So you want to go back to the privacy page, and here you're going to want to look for the option that says live location. Once you find this, if you have it turned on at all, you want to turn that off. And the last thing that you can do is turn off read receipts. If you turn that off, then nobody will be able to tell if you've read their messages. So they won't be able to see that you're online, and they won't be able to tell that you read their messages. So they will have no way of knowing you are online, even if you are online, and it will say offline on WhatsApp. So I hope this video is helpful. If it was, I'd really appreciate a like and subscribe. Leave any questions you have in the comment section below. I'll do my best to answer them, and I'll see you guys next time.